So hopefully you enjoyed the journey thus far, which was the programmer's model. And, again, we did not go into absolute details of each register and, how to control it and this and that. Uh, our intention as part of this course was to, introduce the A-class CPUs and then introduce enough details about the programmer's model so that you can be, useful on a team that is developing using the A-class CPUs. Now, the question then is, what next? Right? Where to from here? Well, one advice would be that you go through the documentation that we have been studying and, do like a deep dive and just run, well, maybe not a deep dive, but just like scan through that document and kind of make a note as to, what all features and what all functionalities the core offers, right? So make a list of that. The second thing, obviously, is the exception model that we left out, right? And then there was memory model and then the debug model. And then after all of this, maybe, writing some code, that would be like the nice next step. And then, just to kind of introduce you to, what we have in plans next is that, we are working in the background on a course that guides on, how to boot up the A-class CPUs and how to debug like on a real hardware. So I would nudge that, if you like this course, you would definitely love those too, and be on the lookout for those, and once released, maybe join in on those. So thank you and take care.